Flapjack, do that thing you do every day, all the time.
Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more. What you say?
So we're day 3 of the Jodell'S car project, and
and we're late again.
So just 3 hours late, like I called it already. And you know, instead of going and picking your car up on the way to our house from the city, why wouldn't you do that? No, you're gonna come here, and we're gonna make Adrian drive to go pick your car up.
You got a clean truck, boy! You got a clean truck, boy! Oh my god.
What you doing? What are you doing?
Hiding.
Is that Nick?
Yeah.
Tell him his car's ass.
Nick, Anton said your car's ass.
Yeah, I'm literally just gonna cut like here.
Anton said your car's ass.
This. Look at Anton's face.
Look at all that dust all over your car.
Oh, we didn't go to the bank.
Go to the bank.
Because you want physical money, right?
Obviously.
You got PayPal, Venmo.
I got PayPal. I got PayPal.
Before we leave, can you let him try to start your car? Because it's fucking horrible.
Oh, maybe let him warm up.
Fuck. When he went to start his car the other day, I recorded it. It was 20 seconds.
Buying a new one, you don't know how to put an exhaust, right?
What do you mean?
Like,
I mean,
you know how to put one on?
It's not that, it's welding. Do you have the materials?
Why don't you buy welding what?
If the weld it on. Oh, if it's bolt on, he can do it. Is it bolt on?
Is it bolt on? Yes, I told you.
What's ISR?
It's HKS.
Yeah, it's
Hold on, I gotta get something from his trunk.
We gotta get my mat.
oval pipes? You need the adapter. You need the adapter to go from circle.
Gabe be like, go to my paint guy, he's good. Go to my paint guy, he's the best. Go to my paint guy.
At least my
Go to my paint guy. Go to my paint guy.
Let's
I'm
play
kidding.
2600 for.
I'm Gabe, my car's got totaled on the side of my house. It's gonna start right away. Is that Dylan? It better be Dylan. I don't want anyone else. It's the boy. You got any drugs?
No, just fucking VTEC. I heard you were selling.
Just VTEC.
Yeah.
Oh boy. He's like, I don't want to do it in front of the Miller house.
I feel like he would plant that power if he had bigger tires.
It's 200 horsepower. What are you gonna do?
Think about all the salt and sand on the road.
His hood pops. I see more gas leaking everywhere.
If that hose is broken, so I need to make sure it works.
Yeah, it works.
Did you just get? I hope you just got that.
You opened it specifically to look inside, and he just closed it on you.
Yeah, what it is.
Yeah, didn't you guys say something about oil? I didn't put oil in it.
You put oil?
I didn't put
Okay,
oil.
we gotta
Put oil in your fucking car.
Woo!
To the Wendy's right next to it. He'll direct you. What the hell is that?
That's the thing. It's nothing.
It's from the last video. Click, 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 click. So how does it feel to have your car finally done appearance-wise, for the most part?
Crazy, yo. I don't think y'all understand. I gotta get the brakes though. I don't think y'all understand left.
Yeah.
Like, not cutting any corners and like buying all real parts, getting a legit paint job, doing all that crap. Like, the car came out nuts. Like, it is beautiful.
See, we bought our cars at the same time. The biggest thing is the difference is that like I cut some corners, which was stupid. So obviously I'm paying for it now. So now, from now on, obviously I'm gonna do things the right way, which I should have done originally. But I've been doing it more and more. Like I bought real seats, I bought real wheels, stuff like that. So now I gotta fix all my body work. I gotta fix my paint and all stuff like that. I'm trying to get my car more immaculate because it's beat to hell. Like the engine work, everything, that was all done the right way. Like that was all done 100%, real parts, all proper money spent. But I need my car on the outside to start looking the part because it's kind of beat to hell. always a good time when we come to AutoZone. Let's see. 5W. Well, that's because it's high mileage. You want to do high mileage?
I don't need a big one.
How
I
much
just need
oil?
one like this. Do you think I should just buy? He's waiting by my car. Do you think I should just buy a big one so I can have it? I don't have to keep buying.
And then, because your car
but I'm not
burns,
gonna
but your
drive.
car burns oil. You can tell. You gotta constantly check it. The last thing you want is for that to blow again.
I don't
It's better
want
than
Pennzoil.
Pennzoil is
I
good.
want Vaseline because that's what Ryan Turk uses.
You serious?
You don't have a race car. I use Pennzoil in the RSX and it's still running. Make sure it's high mileage because I know that engine's got miles on it.
I mean, let's ask them too. Maybe they know.
You know what?
It's fine. I put that in the RSX. It's got 130,000 miles on it.
What oil do you use?
I use Pennzoil.
No, not the
It doesn't
company.
really matter what.
It does matter.
Much more covers that you can get. This needs to stop.
What about?
Everybody, if you have this on your car,
You want to put it on mine?
burn it. Burn it. Burn. I hate these. $17 for that. If you pay $17 for that, it's
Oh,
it comes with a full set too.
Of
Look
the
at that.
dice? Oh, and
Look at that.
God, that's
You
how you gotta
need
buy
that.
parts.
Put on your porn director outfit. That's all you.
Yo, I was about to say.
I was like,
bro.
dude, is your car not gonna start? Alright, here you go. Oh man, your car's just so much different than mine.
In what type of way?
Mine's
Like harder?
Mine's a lot stiffer, and yours is also, the catch point is a lot higher. Mine's like a little bit lower, more middle ground. Yours is like almost at the top. Nah, not really. Yours is just really soft. That's what's weird. Like super soft compared to mine.
I mean,
So
yours
you're
is
shifting.
newer than mine.
Yeah, yours, it's so.
Mine is like, I've had it for like a year now. Yo. Oh, yeah, nice. Watch out. Oh,
I'm going straight over.
Oh my god. I'm just. So he's. You can't even see me right now. God, he's driving my car right now.
Your car like,
So he can see the difference. Yo, bro.
dude, it bogs out.
No, it doesn't.
I can't gun it. There's a lane here.
Okay, but
Alright.
I know it doesn't. I just drove it over here perfect. It's not your car where you just tap on it and you got a million
My
horsepower.
car's had so much horsepower. Oh my god, I don't want to get your car wet.
Oh, that would kill you.
Yeah, this car's a lot different than mine. But I think we should definitely do a compare video. Like between my car and your car. Because the 240 has such like a platform that can be changed like that. Like every 240 is different.
Yeah.
But it feels like, it feels weird. Like my dash is different. Like everything's different.
How does the
This is
steering wheel
different.
feel?
It feels normal. I think it's bigger than mine.
It is. It's also a perfect circle.
Just like no power.
I know it has no power.
Like my SR had some power.
No, this car has no power.
But like, I don't know. It's weird. It's just weird driving like a car that's basically the same as mine in a sense. It is no power. I mean, I spent a lot of money to get power, but
Has no oil, is flooring it every block.
dude, I went to 3,000 RPMs,
Flooring it.
which is what you do on the highway. You should have put oil in your car in the first place. It shouldn't be driving no oil. Trust me, I made that mistake. I'm trying to teach you not to do dumb shit that I went through already. Trying to save you money.
Oh, yeah, backfire.